Here I have BLUBOO Maya, and today I'm going to show you how to check IMEI number of this device. So first of all, first method, you can just tap phone icon and enter the secret code, which is *06#, and here you can see your IMEI numbers, or you can go to the settings, scroll down to the bottom, tap on about phone. In here you have some other useful information about your phone, like your model number, Android version, Android security patch level, baseband version, kernel version, build number, and custom build version. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.